The allure of one-shoulder dresses for women. Hello beautiful guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, so please like this video and subscribe my channel. Today we are diving into the timeless elegance and allure of one-shoulder dresses for women. Whether you're attending a glamour event, a romantic dinner, or a night out with friends, a one-shoulder dress is the epitome of sophistication and style. It's a fashion statement that acquires confidence and grace. One of these things that make one-shoulder dresses so captivating is their asymmetrical designs. The beautiful showcase your shoulders while adding an element to your overlook. Another wonderful aspect of one-shoulder dresses is their versatility. Whether you prefer a silk and minimalist designs or something android with embellishments and ruffles, there's a one-shoulder dresses to suit every state, taste and occasions. When it's come to styling your one-shoulder dresses, the possibilities are endless. You can pair it with statement earrings, a delicate necklace, or a bold cuff bracelet to add a touch of glamour to your ensemble. Let's talk about the solids. One-shoulder dresses. Your curve in a right place while providing a sophisticated and figure filtering look. Whether you're PTVT or curve or a one-shoulder dresses can help you embrace your body with confidence. When shopping for a one-shoulder dresses, pay attention to delicate like fabric, color and fit. Opt for fabrics that drape beautifully and colors that complement your skin tone. And don't forget to try one different size to find the perfect fit for you. In consolations, one-shoulder dresses are more than just a fashion trend. They are a timeless symbol of elegance and femininity. Whether you're attending a special event or a simple want to elevate your every body style, one-shoulder dresses is sure to turn heads and make you feel absolutely stunning. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more fashion inspirations. Until next time, stay stylish and embrace your unique beauty.